I ain't kin to Barbie though, like a doctor at the office. I just keep it real with y'all, only want the real info. I am not no scientist, but problems round here will get solved. Some women be sneaky like they got a black mask tryna raw. Some women be freaks and want me to hit them like a volleyball. I ain't never volunteer to be God to none of y'all. Like Curry saucing in front of me, I am bound to fall, shining like a chandelier. Rapping since 1-7, I'm a pro, I ain't no amateur. They say the good ones go if you wait too long like this was cameras. Been hiding from the cameras, cause they might picture me different if I don't curse in my lyrics or talk about slanging a pistol. I'm like the army in my lyrics, I'm toting a missile. They still tryna figure me out, talk about solving a riddle. They tryna get close like we in a tundra and I'm in the middle. I'm an introvert, so I can't put trust in these people. They asking Eli why you not on yet. They try to make it seem so far-fetched. I'm staying calm cause I'm knowing that my time here. I'm forever in my prime, yeah. Every year is my year, yeah. I ain't talking hell, but a young ain't been on fire. I can't see the future, but this is my desires. Like I'm smoking gas, I'm just trying to get higher, higher, higher. You still messing with your ex, you like 50 Cent. Been through many men, don't you know I'm built like Wolverine. Got power in my hands, these women just fruity birds like they cousin Toucan Sam. Two birds, one stone, and we gone out that Patron. But like a pilot in a plane, tryna make sure we get home. Why everybody wanna say flowers for when you dead and gone? Two birds, one stone. Why they wanna give you flowers when you're gone? Gone. Two birds, one stone. Why they wanna give you flowers when you gone? When you gone. I don't know. Two birds, one stone. Why they wanna give you flowers when you gone? I don't know. I don't know. Two birds, one stone. Why they wanna give you flowers when you gone? I don't know. I don't know.
Not to be successful and famous. That's not the goal. The goal is, if you have a specific God-given ability, is to live your life out through that.